Coming soon to DVD and Blu-ray.
See and hear Thomas like never before in his biggest movie ever, Hero of the Rails, the movie.
I found the oldest engine on Sodor.
It's a story of adventure and new friends.
We must help Hero at once.
In an all-new movie like you've never seen before.
You've come to the right place, my friend.
Thomas and Friends, Hero of the Rails, the movie. Now available only on DVD.
Coming soon to DVD and Blu-ray disc. Fifi and the Flower Tots. Fifi and the Flower Tots. Soup of the day.
Soup of the day, Brody time.
1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. Hello, I'm Fifi Forget-Me-Not, and I'm digging potatoes. Got to keep busy on such a chilly day. Hello, Bumble.
Oh, it's cold.
What we need is something nice and warm. I thought we could use these potatoes and make a delicious soup.
Yeah, good idea.
Hello! Oh, yuck! Oh, soup. Oh, yummy! I'm fabulous at making soup.
Make a different future. Start different at GoDaddy.com.
I have the perfect recipe. I hope you've got everything I need. Blender, wooden spoon, sieve, grater, metal bowl. Oh.
Hello, Bobby. We're making...
Webby, come round and have some later. Lovely. Try Aunt Tulip. She might have some peas.
Soup, eh? Pumpkin makes delicious soup. We'll come around later for a taste, won't we, Grubby?
Let's get all these lovely vegetables home. We've invited everyone round to taste your soup, Primrose. Look at what we've got.
Lentils
And beans,
and pumpkin.
but no peas. No peas, no soup. But we've been everywhere, Primrose.
No one's got any peas.
Nonsense. I got peas in my house.
Why didn't you say so?
You didn't ask.
If we all go, it won't take long to pick them.
Good idea.
Oh.
Primrose's perfect peas. Now I can cook.
At last.
And everyone can help.
Get out of here.
No, you get out.
Soup of the day. Potatoes and carrots and beans. But something is missing when my soup is simmering. We have to have more peas, please. Soup of the day. Potatoes and carrots and beans. But something is missing when my soup is simmering. We have to have more peas, please. We have to have more. Oh, my soup! It's ruined!
You mean there's no soup? But there are no more peas left.
I'm not having a good day. We haven't got any peas, but we have got all these. Vegetable soup. If we all work really hard, we can get soup made before everyone arrives.
More work, but lots of soup.